How to create a Windows bootable USB drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to create a Windows bootable USB drive. So this is obviously a Windows 10 model, okay? So to create a Windows 10 bootable USB, you're going to go ahead and download the media creation tool, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to come over to our browser and we're going to go ahead and download the media creation tool. Could be for Windows 10, Windows 11, whatever you want. So here is your media creation tool. Okay, and you usually get it externally in the actual Windows 10, but if you don't have it, just go ahead and download it for yourself. It's pretty simple. Now, once you download the media creation tool, you're going to run the tool and select create installation for another PC. Okay, those are the specific steps, and you can actually download the media creation tool from this section. Okay, and if you don't get it over here, usually you will get it on their main disk ISO image website. If I load this up, it's going to bring me to the Microsoft official website, and here you go. So create Windows 10 installation media. So you're going to download this, and obviously it's going to take a little time to download. Now, once you do this, it's going to bring you to a setup or installation section, and let me show you what it's going to look like. So it's going to look like this, where it's going to say Windows 10 setup, what do you want to do? And here it's going to say create installation media for, another PC on your USB drive or any other drive. And once you go ahead and choose all these things, it's going to ask you to select the language, architecture, and then transfer it to a USB that is plugged in to your device. And that is basically how you are going to be going ahead and creating a Windows bootable USB drive. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.